Hi, and welcome to today's video where I will be talking about AI and how it can support Gantt charts. In this video, I will be covering some basic topics, really understanding what the basics of Gantt charts are, the role of AI within project management, integration, how do we integrate AI within Gantt charts and how it benefits, the benefits of using AI within Gantt charts, and then I'll do a quick summary on the topic. So without delay, let's crack on. So the first thing is really what is, what is a Gantt chart? So let's start with the basics. A Gantt chart is a project management tool that helps visualize your tasks against time, and that's it, and resource, I would say. Imagine you're planning a wedding. Your Gantt chart would list tasks like booking a venue, sending invitations, making sure you post, make sure you've got a guest list or table plan, whatever that might be for the day itself, each with a start and end date and the appropriate, I would say percentage complete. Also a resource assigned of who's going to do that. Now, you may have other, which you manage in a sequential event. Now, things can happen at the same time, but it has pretty much a sequential timeline that allows you to go through all the activities to deliver your wedding, shall we say, in this case. So realistically, what is the role of AI within project management? So now, where does AI really come in? Artificial intelligence, it's huge, and from a Gantt chart perspective, artificial intelligence can predict, risk, automate schedules, and a lot more things. It allows you to look at trends in your plan. It could look at historical reports that could support it. So in essence, the way to look at it is like having a little bit of a crystal ball that helps you foresee and navigate potential project pitfalls in the future. And the big one for me is like automated scheduling and project risk are the big ones there. So, how do we integrate AI with Gantt charts? Now, combining AI with Gantt charts means your timelines are no longer static. You are now dynamic. It's a living document that adjusts with real time. When let's say, for example, when a supplier delays delivery, AI can immediately reshuffle your schedule to keep everything on track. That will then give you a realistic timeline. I'll caveat here, your whatever data you put in, it's got to be good quality. If you put bad data, you'll get bad information at the end of it. So again, that's a caveat. How you integrate that as well with AI is what data you feed it. It's got to be clear and understood. There are some, challenges which I've covered in another video on some of the challenges of AI. However, there are a huge number of benefits which I'll now go into. So realistically, what are the benefits? Ultimately, your project timelines are more accurate, your resource management is spot on, your risk management is better, your stakeholder engagement is better, you're able to foresee risk and plan better, you are able to deviate the plan if needed to make sure that you meet the timeline. And in summary, in my personal opinion, I think it will help you deliver projects in more accurate timeline or realistic timeline than trying to work through it. It's like, basically it's like having an extra pair of hands that never gets tired. So it does stuff while you're about. So in summary, remember, AI is not here to replace you, but to enhance your project management skills. So I would say embrace the technology. You'll deliver projects with more finesse than you never thought. It will support your stakeholder engagement, risk management, your resource management, and overall project, how would you say, management overall for your delivery. So that's all for today. And a quick dive into the world of AI and Gantt charts. And there's plenty of other videos on my channel if you would that cover AI. If you like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave your questions. Until next time, keep managing and best of luck with your projects.